Savva Yamshchikov. Savva Vasilyevich Yamshchikov, Russian, Savva Vasilyevich Yamshchikov, October 8, 1938 – July 19, 2009, was a leading expert on Russian provincial art, particularly medieval icon painting and portrait painting of the 18th and 19th centuries. Yamshchikov graduated from the Moscow University and worked at the All-Russian Art Restoration Center in Moscow. He went from one province to another in order to find medieval icons that required cleansing. Yamshchikov curated over 300 art exhibitions and first brought to light a number of provincial portraits from Yaroslavl, Rybinsk, Kostroma. It was he who rediscovered such forgotten artists as Grigory Ostrovsky, Dmitry Korenev, and Nikolay Mylnikov. He also advised Andrei Tarkovsky on the production of Andrei Rublev and Sergey Bondarchuk on the production of Boris Godunov. Yamshchikov spent much of his later life in Pskov, helping preserve medieval architecture of the region. He died in Pskov and was buried in Pushkinskie Gory. Works: Yamshchikov, S.V. 1966. Drevnoruskaya Живопись, Novi Открытия Drevnoruskaya Живопись, Novi Открытия Old Russian Painting, Current Findings in Russian. Moscow, Sovetsky Hudожник Sovetsky Hudожник. Yamshchikov, S.V. 1976. Ruskii Portrait Roman 18 Roman 19 Vekov. V. Muzaic RSFSR Ruskii Portrait Roman 18 Roman 19 Vekov. V. Muzaya RSFSR Russian Portrait of the 18th–19th centuries in the RSFSR museums in Russian. Moscow, Izobrazительное искусство. pp. 1–248. Yamshchikov, S.V. 2003. Moi Pskov, Moy Pskov, My Pskov in Russian. Pskov. pp. 1–352. ISBN 594542045-X. References ==